Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoedoc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Hello my friends, got a new unboxing video for you today from my friends at Martin Dingman. I've opened a few things from them over the years. Very excited about this one. So this is a new model, part of a new collection, this Tuscan wingtip in graphite. So something really kind of unique, I feel, for them. So let's take a look. Oh, very, very cool. Oh, I like these quite a bit. Get the box out of the way. Come with an extra set of laces. This is more of a casual sneaker lace, but I think I prefer this rounded lace. Looks a little dressier. But these are absolutely beautiful. So again, this is this graphite hand finished. It's like a hand finished patina, and this is Italian calf leather that they used for these. I'll tell you, even just the toe shape, the last shape, this is a little sleeker than my other models that I've gotten from them. My other ones had a little bit more of a traditional rounded toe. This is a little bit more of an almond shaped toe. So just a little bit sleeker. Absolutely love the color. I think this is something very unique that they're doing. You don't see a lot of gray shoes. I love the patina here. Something else different about these, this is a kind of a rubberized sole, and so this is going to be great for all weather, so winter and rain, things like that. It is a little bit more chunky, so it's kind of a thick sole on these, and that gives it a little bit more of a casual look. And I also like this undyed kind of natural edge here to the sole. I think that gives it a really neat look. And that also makes it, I think, a little bit more casual. So this is something that's going to be very versatile. I think it's going to look amazing with jeans, but you could also dress them up a little bit for workwear too. But yeah, a little bit thicker sole and heel, and that contrast stitching and sole edge gives it a little bit more of a casual look to it. It's all leather and suede lining. Really smooth feeling leather inside there, a nice padded insole. Now the construction, they don't actually tell you on the site how it is constructed. It is not, I would say, it's not a Goodyear welted. I believe it's a Blake stitch is how they make most of their shoes. It's hard to tell with this thick rubber sole what the construction is, and I can't see any visible stitching inside here. But I doubt that it's just a cemented sole. I think this is probably a Blake stitch construction. Really happy with these. I think it's a beautiful shoe. I just absolutely love the finish on them. Now these are a little bit pricey. They're $4.95 on the website, so that is a higher end model and on the upper price range for them. But I think it's a very nice shoe, probably the nicest one that I've gotten from them so far. Now I do also have a belt. We're going to take a look at that as well. Take a look here at this Tuscan graphite belt. Oh yeah, very nice. I believe this is that same Italian leather on the belt. Really good match there. Now of course with something like this you could wear a black belt, and I think that would be perfectly fine, but I really like to have a gray belt to go with them, something that's just a little bit more unique, and I think this really looks good. The leather feels really nice on this belt. I like the shape of it, this kind of tapered edge. Yeah, very, very nice. I had to check the belt on the website. These are also made in Italy, and it is Italian saddle leather for the belt, including the lining of the belt. And these are $195. So Again, a little bit higher priced. This is kind of their higher end products here, this Tuscan collection, but I think these really look fantastic. So we're going to add a little bit of shine to these shoes, and then we'll see how they look afterwards. Did a quick little round of polish on these. Not quite mirror shine, but it really did elevate these kind of next level, dressing them up just a little bit. Gosh, I just love the finish on these. This gray color is really fantastic. So very excited about these. It's a very unique shoe. This is a great brand. I'm a big fan of Martin Dingman. It's a family-owned small business. They're a Christian family. I just have a lot of respect for them. I like what they do. Really beautiful shoes. I would say that this company is not a full-on dress shoe manufacturer like most of the brands I review. I feel like they're more smart casual, and that's kind of where this fits in. I think it works with jeans as well as dressing up. So not a full dress shoe, but kind of an in-between. And I think these look fantastic. They look like they're going to be incredibly comfortable. I cannot wait to get these on the feet. And the last thing is that they have been kind enough to give me a $500 gift card, not for myself, but to give away to my audience. Now, I'm primarily on Instagram, even though this is a YouTube video. The giveaway is going to be on my Instagram under MB Shoedoc, and so give me a follow over there. Follow Martin Dingman on Instagram. Check that brand out, and I'll have a link to both Martin Dingman website and to my Instagram page on this video. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Hit them up or me up with any questions, and I'll be having these on the feet real soon. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.